What is up, y'all? Haven't been around for a while, been busy, a lot of life changes, things like that. We're going out in the garage. Get some light up in here. But yeah, haven't been on here. Haven't been doing any videos. Just because, like I said, things get busy, life gets busy, and we're trying to do shit. Trying to hit some goals, make some money. Had to get the damn cat out of the garage. Don't ever own animals. Animals are shit. Life advice for y'all. Kids say, hey, want a dog, want a cat, whatever. Tell them no. Also, you know, I said I've been busy. I do sales. So I do outside sales. And I've been doing it for over 15 years now. And a couple different companies, several different companies, always held on. I've always felt like I've done really well at my job, and just took opportunities when I got them. But it was always hard. It was always hard to get. I like doing fun stuff, dude. I mean, look at this dumb car. Like, I like doing stuff like this. You know, I like going on vacations. I like doing all that kind of stuff. But I'm just here to tell you, dude, if you keep pushing and you keep working hard, eventually, someday, you're going to make it to a spot in life where you're like, damn, this is what it was all worth. And I'm having one of those times now in my life where I finally made it to a company, and it's all because I didn't give up. And just stay true to your dreams and never give up and work hard. And, you know, hopefully everything works out awesome. But hopefully everything works out awesome for you guys too. But never give up. Never give up at all. But yeah, let's get into it. So let's get to the reason why we're making a video. And I'm going to throw some extra content in here to kind of show you guys. You're not going to be able to see it in the video. But I decided to go out and race the ZX14, one of my buddies. And didn't go so well for me. I was on 18 PSI. If you're new to the channel, this car makes about 1,000 wheel right around, I don't know, I'd say 19 to 20 PSI. It's 1,000 wheel. That night it was 19 PSI. But yeah, we had a little run in. We'll throw it in here. But yeah, I didn't have enough spice in this. I didn't have enough Lowry's, Johnny's, you know, some smack your mama sauce going on in here to keep up with that bike. But I did all right. I did all right. As you can see, I don't know if you could see it in the video, but there was an SS that was next to me. He makes about 700 some wheel, and he just disappeared. But anyways, that's a badass car, and I tell everybody around to ask me about this car. I'm like, dude, 700 is plenty for the street. If you have a blower car or whatever, so much simpler. Don't do this, because then you're gonna have issues every time. Every time I go out, I've got issues. But that guy's slow, and if he comes by, we're gonna tell him. But so this right here, this is my tensioner, blown apart. And when I went out that night, I put my old tensioner on, which I'm sure had some slop in it. And it threw the belt, and the car went to like 270, dude. And that's not a good time. I don't think engines like being overheated like that, especially when we got race wars in a couple weeks. So the solution for that, which a lot of my buddies have been telling me, was a manual tensioner. So I picked up an ICT Billet manual tensioner for the car. I'm gonna go pull it out of the car real quick to show you guys. Set that there, little trophy for doing good things. You can pick these up anywhere. I picked mine up from Summit. It's obviously meant to go with like the Corvette, like if you have a G8, so it's meant to go with the Corvette or G8 pulley or whatever. But if you can see that, that's the part number you guys need. This is everything that comes in the kit. Blah blah blah. I don't know if I'm gonna show you because it's easy. It bolts to the water pump. So I'm gonna show you what I'm dealing with right now, and then I'm gonna show you what it's like when we get it on. And from what I know, there's no torque specs in here. Some people say 70, some people say, I don't know, 80, 90 foot-pounds. But this packaging is always so damn tough. They do a good job. So as you can see, we still got the basic stock tensioner on there. So we're gonna get this thing off, show you guys, and yeah, let's get it off. Boom. movie magic. Don't mind the brightness. I've got it up so you guys can actually see in my shop. But yeah, here we go. This is it. My other one, yep, just like right here. If you can see it, starting to eat itself alive. That is not good. So these things suck, and I know if you have a car and the RPM just goes, say I'm cruising around and I'm doing, I don't know, say I'm doing like 1800 and all of a sudden I get in it, wham, 7,000. I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. So we're gonna get this other one put on. Put that over here. Yep. Get my pieces laid out and let it all set up and show you guys. I'll make sure to lose all this stuff at least once. I haven't even read the directions, which doesn't really matter. But got all these little spacers here. Shoot, some are thicker than others. Those two are the same. These are the same. We got a razor blade. I don't know how many times I've cut myself with one of these. So be careful, y'all. Walking out of the garage, running into the house, just trying to tape my finger up so I can keep working so I don't get blood everywhere. It's not like it really hurts. It just sucks when it happens. So we've got those 3 bolts. Looks like they give us 2 new bolts here. Still haven't cut myself, y'all. Might be coming. Alright. And that guy. That's everything. Everything in the bag. Then we got our nifty directions. And it says, put this M10 by 25 through here. And put this on. And then put this flat one in here. And then put it in there. And then you put it in there. That's what it says. I swear. That's what it says. But yeah, we're going to do it. The recess obviously out. Flat part back towards the head. Well, actually, towards the water pump. So, yeah, we're going to do that. It says to put this piece right here, through here. You got your 10 by 25. And you get that guy threaded into this one. And then you've got your M10 by 25 that's going to go in here. And then, let's see, what else we got? M10 by 35. So, the short guy right here. This is going to go in this guy, and these are Allen heads. Alright, so we got that on there. And then it says we've got the .27 spacers and then .19 spacers are for the water pump. And the thinner ones are for an LS1 water pump. Son of a bitch, dude. I can make it any easier. Alright, so we got those on there. It's these 2 bolts right here, and this bolt. I don't know if you can see the tabs on the water pump, but if you're familiar with the water pump, it's going to go like that on the tabs. We're going to lose these spacers immediately, and it's going to be sick, dude. You know, I'm going to be picking these up as soon as I try to do this. You know, I'm trying to do 2 at a time. Let's see. Didn't lose them yet. Alright, we didn't lose them. Spacer and our pulley goes in there. Spacer, pulley, washer, bolt. Hell yeah. I'm really hoping this works, dude. Hot damn. Yes. You just go tight enough until what you want to do is you want to go tight enough until it gets loose again. That's the shitty part with dealing with aluminum. That feels tight. I mean, I feel like I should use some Loctite on these. I probably should, but I am not going to. Okay, we didn't break it yet. So this one on the bottom here is loose, so I can move this back and forth. But I know that we can tighten this up real quick. So that's what we're going to do. Tighten that guy up. 14. No, hell no it isn't. 13. Okay. Still spins. Like I said, there's no torque specs. So we got those, got these two bolts tight. Now, fish this belt on. Yeah, get it down there. Need a 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch. Got it. And then there's this little notch on the back side. Alright. So you guys can see the whole part in there. It's right there, dude. I don't know if you guys can tell. That belt is really close to that piece. Shit. Just in case. Scratch the car up. Just what's one more scratch? Really, honestly. I think it looks right. 1/2 inch ratchet, set tension. Gives you a warning. Cancer. Doesn't really give you any instructions. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna hit this QR code up and I'm gonna see if there's something on there. Damn. It's the same instructions. No torque specs. No nothing. Doesn't say anything. Just says good luck. Doesn't really say that, but pretty much. They give you this nice measuring apparatus on the side here. I don't know what that's for. Measuring intense, measuring... What are we supposed to measure? I don't know. Maybe I should get my wife out here. Have her measure it for me. What do you want? My volleyball. You can't have your volleyball. Is it not open? I don't know where it is. Good luck, though.
Bruh.
Bruh.
This is my volleyball, bro.
Bruh. I don't know, bruh. Why don't you come over here and look at this? What's new on the car? Think it's gonna work? I think we're still gonna be on the side of the road. Side of the road. Side of the road. Let's go. Good luck. Wish me luck, okay?
Okay.
Wish me luck.
Good luck.
Thanks. Alright, y'all. So, we gotta start it up. It's gonna be a cold start. This car hasn't ran all week. It's pretty warm out, but car's still on 85. So, we're gonna start it up, see if the belt holds on or not. Let's go. Alright. I seen the belt was like kind of misaligned when I first started it, but it looks like it's lined up now. Tension's still good. I don't know if it was quite on all the way, but it is now. So, if you guys were watching, I don't know if you probably have to rewind the clip, I'm guessing. But when we were over here, you would see this guy. The belt was kind of forward a little bit more. It looked like it was kind of riding on the edge. But then when I revved it, it looked like it straightened up. So hopefully it stays on. So that's that. It's on there. We're going to go test it. We need to make sure it works because, like I said, we've got Race Wars coming up September 22nd, 23rd, or 23rd, 24th? 23rd, 24th. So a Saturday and Sunday in 2 weeks. And we're going to send this thing down the track. And like I said, the most it's ever seen at the track is, I believe, almost 19 pounds of boost. I've had it on 25 pounds on the street, which is at about 68% on the duty cycle on the boost controller. And depending on what happens, I don't know if I'm going to need more than 25 PSI. and I'm pretty sure that my mains aren't pinned, and that's the only thing going past 25 psi is you kind of risk that, even though we see guys with stock 5.3s, everything make 30 plus pounds of boost. I mean, you look at KC Max, he's made like 40 some pounds of boost on methanol on a stock 5.3, but who knows what they were doing to the motor. They say it's stock, but whatever. I was just told that since my mains aren't pinned, that I shouldn't go past 25 psi, but hopefully we don't need any more than 25 psi. But yeah, that will probably be the end of the video. If not, I might go drive it. You guys might see some stuff, but if not, if that's the end of the video, stay tuned to the next one, and we'll be going to Race Wars. And tomorrow I'm actually going out to do some testing with one of my buddies with his Corvette that he just finished, so we'll probably do a video on that actually. So hang around. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing if you're new, and hopefully we can push this thing a lot faster. It's been 950. Y'all know what I want to go, but I've told people here I want to go 8s. It might not happen, but if it does happen, hell yeah, and enjoy the fact that you guys are along for the ride. Thank you very much for all the support. Peace.